morning, children. Let us continue history lesson 3, the earliest cities. I have explained for you about the houses, how they constructed Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people. So they planned, how they planned to construct the houses, drains and streets. All three together they planned and constructed. And also the drainage system they constructed through the houses also. How the through houses to the street water, how they constructed the road, they used to construct. The three planned and they constructed. And after the construction of the houses, the people how they used to live in the city, how they developed the city life. And here let us see today the life in the city. The people of the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people, they lived very good life, and also that they enjoyed more. How they lived their life, and here we can see Harappan city a was a very busy place, and it is the place always the people and all together they will be busy with their work. How they were busy with their work? Rulers who planned the construction of special buildings in the city. The rulers were very talented, and also the people they are busy with their work. What is the work they used to do here? The place they divide, I yesterday in previous day I told for you, they divided into two, lower west side and east side also, the lower part and higher part. And the lower part and the place of the citadel, and also the all these places with plant they constructed the granaries, workshops all they are there. And also the rulers also they used to help for the people how they have to be enjoyed their life, and the in the specially construction of the buildings also. The rulers sent people to distant land to get precious stones and other things that they want. Whatever the rulers they want here, they used to send some of the people in the construction. They very strong construction they constructed their buildings. And also the how the people used to send the ruler, they send the people to collect the precious metals and also the precious stones. In which place it is available, they send the people to search or to contact with other people and bring the materials. After bringing the materials, the strong buildings they used to construct. Not only that, the people used ornaments of gold, silver and beads also. The people of the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they enjoyed more. Even the men and women also, here we can see that the men and women both decorate themselves with gold and silver also. And that the people, when they were using gold and silver, and also the along with that the rulers also giving encouragement for the people were living very enjoyfully in these cities. And also the scribes knew how to write. They were men and women craft persons also. And here's the scribes. The scribe means the person who know how to read and write. The scribes they used to write on the shell and the strong on the rocks, and also the on the walls here. And here the scribes, especially these people, they collect the hard materials and they used to write the information whatever about the rulers or whatever inscriptions are there, script it is there. These scribes people they know very neatly how to read and write also. Next, they were men and women craft persons. These people they were busy in their work. In the they are very busy to their work, and also the collection of the materials, maintenance of their they used to maintain that they used to wear the ornaments gold, silver, beads, and also that with the stone they used to sharp the stones and they made the beads of the chains also. The craft work also very neatly on a by beads also they used to make ornaments, and also the craft work also they used to do more. And here the people in the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they were very talented not only in the construction of the houses with the plan, houses, drains and streets, and also the life in the city. How they used to live in the city with the plan. The rulers gave the plan for the people by sending the people to other places to collect the precious stones or materials. The people decorate themselves with ornaments and gold, and also scribes, the people those who know how to read and write, they write on the shell and in some of the other materials. And men and women, they both also, they used to do the craft work and other works. Let us continue tomorrow's lesson in the life of the people, where they lived, how they used to enjoy their life. Thank you.